Hey guys, what's happening? Sorry this video is so late today. I'm a little under the weather. I didn't even know if I was going to make one, but figured I'd give you a quickie. You guys remember this function generator that I purchased off eBay and put together, and just the deplorable results I got out of it. Well, a couple of you guys noticed on the video that it looks like I missed a solder joint or two. Well, I found one that I definitely missed, and when I fixed that, it has definitely improved. Now, it's not perfect. I mean, if you look closely there, oops, sorry, I didn't mean to bump the camera. You can see there are a considerable number of artifacts. But, oops. It is working much better now. However, if we switch over to the high-speed output, and then we're going to go up here, high speed. Move up to, like, say, 2 megahertz. So we should be getting a nice 2 megahertz square wave. And instead, we get ringing. I mean, that's what that is. That's ringing, and it's oscillations. And it's terrible. And it is unacceptable in any piece of test gear I would use. Let's fix it. It's mainly a problem, I believe, of the op amp used in this function generator. I've already taken the screws out that hold this display on, and what we've got there is the op amp. Hope you guys can read that. It's an LM358, and it's an excellent dual op amp, but it does have a few issues, and one of them is it doesn't behave particularly well at very high speeds. However, there is another op amp that does, and that is the TL072. Now check out this graphic here, and you'll notice that the TL072 and the LM358 both share the same pinout. And one of you guys pointed that out to me, which I should have known, but you know, whatever. I forget who it was, but thank you, whoever it was. And looky here, I just happen to have some TL072s. So, give me a second to get them out of the package, and we'll do a little swap-a-rooney. Alright. Let's swap her out. The index is pointing towards the bottom of the board. You guys, one of you guys yell if I start putting it in the wrong way. Don't worry, I'll hear you. Yeah, I don't have a chip puller, so whoopsies. Have to be gentle about doing this. Alright, so let's give it a little bend. We'll pop her in there. Alright, everything looks copacetic. We'll put the display back on. Put the screws in. Put the screws to her, as they say, right? Alright, you don't need to watch me doing this. I'll be back when it's all together. Alright, we're all reassembled and ready. So I will turn on the high speed. Let's go right where we were, 2 megahertz. And what do we get? We get the same shit. Well, I guess we got what we got. Let me, whatever. I'm pretty much done with this thing. If any of you guys are interested and you want it, yeah, pay the shipping. I'll send it to you. I'm done with it. Alright, probably not going to be a video tomorrow, because I'm still feeling pretty crappy. But, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.